What's hiding inside your air ducts? Best duct cleaning New Orleans. Big Easy Environmental right now. Your HVAC system is pushing air through your home every few hours. But here's what most homeowners never think about. What else is traveling through those ducts along with the air? In New Orleans, the humidity alone creates conditions that no other city in the country deals with quite the same way. Moisture gets into your ductwork, dust accumulates, and in that dark, damp environment, mold has everything it needs to grow. Most homeowners have no idea it's happening because it's all hidden behind the walls and above the ceilings, completely out of sight. What Big Easy Environmental typically finds inside uncleaned ducts: years of accumulated dust and debris, pet dander, pollen and allergens, and in many New Orleans homes, mold contamination that has been quietly circulating through the air your family breathes every day. One customer put it simply, "My house smells way fresher, and the sneezing has finally stopped. Definitely worth every penny." Another said, "Vents look brand new now, and the dust settle is gone." The air inside your home doesn't have to be a problem you live with. Big Easy Environmental has been cleaning ducts in New Orleans for over 28 years. Licensed, professional, and respectful of your home. No upsell pressure, just honest work. Visit bigeasyenvironmental.com or call 5046-3667-00 to schedule your inspection today. See if your home qualifies for our $97 local special, plus a free dryer vent cleaning.